Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Brother. Today I'll tell you another nice mocktail. Mocktail name is Mosomi Breeze Mocktail. Very simple mocktail actually you can try. Okay. First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to pour like 120 ml of Mosomi juice. Okay, 120 ml of Mosomi juice. Then you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of lime juice. After that you have to pour 30 ml of green apple crush. Okay, then you have to pour lots of ice cube. Okay, then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Just shake it. Then take any type of fancy glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the. Then you can garnish the mocktail with lime slices. Okay, after that what you will do? Simply you have to pour cranberry juice on the top. See how the fancy colors. Mosomi breeze mocktail is ready. You can garnish with mint leaf and garnish umbrella. See your fancy mocktail is ready. Mosomi breeze mocktail is there. With this is very fancy mocktail. You can try with the combination of mosomi juice, lemon juice, green apple cider. Then you have to top up with cranberry juice. Very simple mocktail. Actually, you can try. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.